Okay, so let's talk about SQLAlchemy on Plus. So basically, you can do like typing raw HTML, not raw HTML, raw SQL in Plus, but you can use ORM like SQLAlchemy like that to install to your application. It's up to you anyway. And why is the reason for that? So Plus is a micro framework, right? If your if your application don't need to use this kind of approach, it's like it's on your decision to do this compared to Django that's already been installed. And yeah, that's the difference between micro and full pledge framework like Django anyway. And in this part, I'm gonna show it how it works anyway. You can get the code and test it by yourself. It's just a template anyway, you can use to your own. You know what, let's just start it. So for example, for this one, it's a CRUD application. It's not a CRUD. You can just add a new, for example, student for this one. And let's say like that. I give in Kobe 6 to E. Something like that. I don't know, the submit. And yeah, so very straightforward anyway. You can play this around. And the way you're gonna install is you need to install first the you need to install this one, Alchemy, first to make this work, and something like that. You need to install that first, and you're gonna specify your SQL data by URI on this one. Just name it whatever you want anyway. And yeah, db SQL that app, pass your app on here, and you're gonna do it on your main db.create all. It will create your database. So if you go to your directory, there's a called student SQL Lite 3 or something like that. That's your database. And for our ORM, very straightforward. Create. And yeah, so that's how it is. So if I talk about SQLAlchemy tutorial, it will give like more 7 or 10 video. It's a just say you should, on this part, you just think about that ORM are possible using on Plus. That's it. That's the only way you're gonna think about on this video anyway. And yeah, self-explanatory most of the part on this. You're only gonna pass on here the student. And yeah, nothing too special anyway if you ask me. Very straightforward. We already learned this on, yeah, kind of very straightforward anyway. And yeah, so you can play this around, get this code on my Git. And yeah, very short video anyway. SQLAlchemy, it's kind of a object relation mapping that you can use it on your project. It's up to you, and you can just type raw SQL. It's possible anyway. And yeah, so we're done on the extension. We're only one last extension we're gonna tackle called AJAK on our Flask program. I think this is the 3 famous extension on the Plus community. And yeah, see you on the next video.